Can you say baby?
Want to see the baby's blanket? Baby's blanket. There you go, Katie.
You love her?
Can you say baby?
Baby. Yeah. Can you get from this?
Yeah.
Oh, careful, soft. It's soft, baby. Soft. Baby soft.
Does the baby look like you?
Yeah.
It's baby Claire.
Can you
Claire.
Say, can you say
Baby
Claire?
Yeah.
Claire?
Baby
Jonah, can you...
Do you want to see it? See it? I was doing this so I could see the baby in there. Do you see her?
Baby. Yeah, she's sleeping. She's sleeping. Her blanket. Baby's blanket.
Yeah.
She looks kind of like a bunny. She looks like the little bunny.
Oh, look at her little soft. Soft.
Did that used to be your seat? Do you remember sitting in there? Just sit in there, Jonah.
Where's her feet? Where's her feet? Baby's feet. Oh, he's interested in the
Love the buttons.
It's the stuff. We were checking out things and
Oh, don't push on it.
we
Goo?
were like, yeah, we were by in the room, you know, I changed him in there.
Do you know how much Mom missed you?
Talk about the baby. He's
Where are her toes at? You see her toes? The baby's toes?
Where's her feet?
in here. In here.
Her feet? And where her hands are? Yeah.
Do you want to see yourself? Who's that? Say cheese.
Is that Jonah monster?
Look how big you are. You look at this big old.
Can you say sis?
We're trying to do what?
No, I do this.
Have you heard her say that? Though? Can you point
No.
something? I think it's saying
Don't be bossy.
We're trying to do
Like a big old
things
gorilla.
Like, when you do the